I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up in the Tarte custom 7 for $65 sale, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. So this is the second, possibly third, of the 7 for $65 custom kits that I've picked up from Tarte. If you love products from Tarte, this is a fantastic way to pick up products at a really good deal. All right, enough rambling. I'm going to unbox this puppy, and if you can't tell, my face is pretty bare. We're going to put it on my face. This box does not include everything that's going to go on my face, but I am going to only put on Tarte products. So I already have applied a Tarte concealer. This is the creaseless concealer, and I have this product here, which is the glowy primer you see going on. All right, let's dive into the box. Now, unfortunately, this sale only lasts 2 to 4 days, and I believe it's already over, but if you sign up for emails from Tarte, then you'll be notified. It happens in the spring as well in the fall. All right, everything comes beautifully wrapped in the standard purple Tarte tissue paper. If you aren't aware, Tarte is actually female founded, and they have cruelty-free formulas with good-for-you ingredients. Now, with these kits, you get 7 items. 6 are products you can put on your face, and then the 7th item is always a bag. This here is the bag I selected. Let me take it out of the plastic. The bag is a beautiful shiny gold with black, and it's just one pouch, black interior. You can shove a lot of stuff in here. How this custom kit works is you click on the link on their website, and they will have it by numbers. So item 1 is typically a foundation or some kind of product for your face. And they will have, I don't know, 6 to 8 options where you can scroll and choose the one you want. So they may offer like a primer, a couple of different foundations, concealers, etc. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little torn. Part of me wanted to stock up on this concealer, the creaseless, which I really love and enjoy. Although I saw a foundation that intrigued me, and I thought, well, if I pick up a foundation I've never tried before, paying full price, and I'm disappointed, that's no fun. Whereas I can wait for a sale, use a coupon code, and restock this concealer at any point in time. So I went for the foundation. The foundation I picked up is this one here, which is the Face Tape Foundation. It is a double duty beauty, and I have it in the shade 12N Fair Neutral. Let's go like this, that I selected something that will look good on my skin tone. All right, I'm not going to do a full wear test. This is just a first impression try on, but let's start off with seeing how well the shade match is. All right, there she is right there, looking promising. It's not super runny, but not super thick. I would say it's on par with an average foundation. I'm going to use a brush on this side of my face, a sponge on the other side, and let you know my first impressions once it's applied. The foundation claims that its full coverage is a natural matte finish, has 12 hours of power, it's transfer proof, waterproof, and sweat proof. Interesting. This foundation does have a scent, which I don't know how I feel about that. It's a little floral, and most foundations, honestly, just smell like a foundation. So it's a little off-putting, but doable. I don't know. If you do not like scents, particularly floral scents, I would say pass. But as far as the foundation goes, I don't feel it on my skin, which is always good. I was worried because it was the Shape Tape line, and that Shape Tape concealer is very thick and drying on my mature dry skin, but this is feeling lovely. I would say it's a really good shade match, and they claim it's full coverage. I would say it did a good job of covering my hyperpigmentation. I would say it's a high, medium, or low full coverage, but does not feel heavy or cakey. All right, let's move along to the next item, and that would be a face product. I selected a blush. This here is the Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush, and I have it in the shade Dazzled. This here's what the packaging looks like. It's a plastic, but a nicer plastic, if you know what I mean. It does come with a mirror, and here is the shade. It does have a beautiful embossing. All right, let's do a swatch. Right there. So the shade looked pretty dark in the pan, but I love how it's buildable. This I went in twice, so yay, it hopefully won't be scary. I much prefer a face product bronzer contour blush that's buildable and not one pat clown city, because we all know, if you've been watching me, thank you, that I can go a little ham at times. All right, let's throw this on my face and see what it looks like. That's beautiful. All right, I'm gonna come back and put some contour bronzer on, and then we will move along to some eye products. All right, I'm back, and to keep this makeup look all Tarte, I had to go old school to find some contour bronzer. This here is the Park Avenue Princess. I received this in my first ever Boxy Luxe, and I just kind of bounced around some of these shades. It's been a hot minute since I've used this palette. All right, moving on to the next item that you can select, and it's a mascara. Sadly, they never seem to have a waterproof option, so I just pick one, and it's gonna go in a trade with one of my viewers. Hey Lynn. The mascara I selected is the Lights Camera Lashes. It's just a personal preference. I only wear waterproof mascara. And today I'm wearing my co-holy grail, which is from Essence. It costs a whopping $5 and is one of the best waterproof mascaras I have discovered. All right, moving along to the next selection. This one I think you'll find interesting. So they offered up some eyeshadow palettes as well as some eyeliners. Guess what I went for? Nope, not an eyeshadow palette. I actually went for the eyeliner. And this will be risky as well as controversial, I'm sure. First off, I already own a bazillion Tarte eyeshadow palettes, and honestly, I just don't reach for them very often. Second, I looked at some of the reviews, and some girl named Nicole from New Jersey left a glowing review about how this waterproof gel eyeliner she applied to her upper waterline, and it did not transfer down to the lower waterline. And as you know, I have been on the hunt forever for that type of an eyeliner that will do just that. So hopefully today's the day. Let's do a swatch. This is claimed to be waterproof, and it is a beautiful black. All right, here we go. That was fun. Did you see that? Un momento. No, Nicole from New Jersey. This was on my eye all of, what, 30 seconds? And it transferred down to the lower lash line. All right. Still on the hunt. All right, let's just fix the craziness on my hair and move along to the next product. This next product I was super excited about. It is the section where you get to select a lip product. And I have been wanting to try this newest launch TikTok viral product, which is the MARACUJA Juicy Lip. I have it in the shade Orchid, which if you know me, you know me. It's gonna be a nudie pink. Ooh, look how pretty the packaging is. All right, does it click? Ooh, it clicks. Ooh, but is it the type that if you click up too high, you can't push it down? I think possibly. So that looks good enough. Let's do a swatch. That is beautiful. All right, let's get it on my lips. Super comfortable, super hydrating. I understand now the hype on this. Does it have a scent? Oh, it does. Barely there. Don't ask me what. More like a soft, fruity scent. It's beautiful. All right. Love the shade I chose. Love how it feels. Moving on to the last and final product. Now, I can't recall all of the options, but I want to say this was where they offered up a moisturizer, some kind of skincare product, maybe a setting spray. I already have their setting spray. I already have their H2O moisturizer and tons of skincare. So I went for a brush. This here is a dual-ended face brush. So one side would be good for like contour, the other for blush, or whatever you choose to use the brush for. Because at the end of the day, a makeup brush is a makeup brush and you can decide how you want to use it. The brush is soft, slightly dense, not over dense. So yay, I am a brush whore. At the end of the day, do I need a brush? No. But like I mentioned, the other products were something I already owned, and this looked beautiful and something I could easily travel with. Not that I'm traveling. All right, I'm going to come back with an eye look using one of my numerous Tarte eyeshadow palettes, and I'll recap everything that came in the box. All right, I'm back. I use this palette here, which is the Clay and Play must-have palette. I also use the Tarteist double-ended eyeliner, the liquid part for the top eyeliner. All right, let's recap everything I picked up for $65. All right, I got the Face Tape Foundation, the Amazonian Clay Blush in Dazzled, the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, the Sex Kitten Gel Eyeliner, the Maracuja Juicy Lip in Orchid, a dual-sided face brush, and a gold makeup bag. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I always think this is a really good deal. If you're planning on picking up a foundation and a concealer, I would say 2 items at full price from Tarte will cover this 7-item custom kit. And because it's custom, you get to pick not only the shades, but the actual products that you want to purchase. So far, so good on the foundation. I will let you know on screen if I run into any issues, but I'm enjoying it thus far. Mascara, I know going in that that's going to be a product I won't use, but I can always put it in a giveaway or do a trade. My biggest disappointment, lady from New Jersey, is I could have picked up a palette. Do I need another palette? No, but the value of the palette, I don't know. I went for this because they said it was like the best waterproof and didn't transfer. On to the next item. I have been meaning to pick up this Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm, Lip Oil, what do they call this? Juicy Lip for a while now. So I was planning to pay full price, which I want to say is $22. So when I saw that this was in the kit, no brainer. I love brushes, so there's that. And this is adorable. I'm going to list the MSRP total value so you can see what $65 gets you. But I'm curious, what are your thoughts? Do you enjoy products from Tarte? Do you think this is a good deal? Are you like, pass? I'm very curious what your thoughts are. And if you are interested, sorry this kit has come and gone, but sign up for their text messaging or emails and it will come around again in the spring. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.